Hello, friends. Welcome to a new video from Indian Talents. Let us talk about today's episode of Big Boss. Big Boss Telugu 4 is into the mid of fourth week, and currently the coin task, that is the luxury budget task, is happening. So, everyone who has received the coins are keeping it safe, and few are giving it with confidence so that they will keep it safe. Due to the sentiments and emotions, Amma Rajshekhar Garu was seen giving his coins to Kumar Sai, who didn't have that much of coins in hand, and to keep it safe and intact. The major benefit of this coin collection in total would be that persons with more points and persons with few special coins will get privileges which will be declared by the end of the week. Right after that, Harika was seen talking to Abhijit about his behavior and his state of giving coins to Swati Dikshit, who had just entered the house a few days ago. Harika was saying she is absolutely cool with giving the coins, but when people are around, like friends to him, in past 3 weeks, he is not giving to them, but literally giving to a person, and Abhijit is still not in a safe zone, as what Harika means. And of course, who doesn't want a captaincy? So she actually meant not to be sorry, but eventually wanted Abhijit to take captaincy seriously so that he can avoid the nomination sometime in the upcoming weeks. Meanwhile, others had been taking the new coins falling from the garden area. Amma Rajshekhar and Akhil planned to take coins from others' place and they hid it in their place. As they took it, they agreed to share it half half. Of course, as yesterday in the review, I had mentioned that this will surely happen and it will happen multiple times because it is very tough to collect the coins, but it is very easy to steal the coins. So, eventually, this will happen for sure again and again. To join the group, Lasya, Sohel, and Ariana took out yet another set of coins which others had hid in their place under the sofa. And again, Mehboob and Sohel planned, and Mehboob took out the coins from place of Sujata and Noel, who were in the garden place. And it's now turning out to be funny as Sohel is not stopping with one person, he's going out randomly and picking almost everyone's coin. And the last one was Abhishek, our own Mukku Avinash bag, and he took on the coins from him also while he was sleeping. The previous day night, Mehboob and Sohel had planned, and Mehboob had took the coins from Sujata and Noel, and the leftover coins were yet again taken off by Sohel. Amma Rajshekhar was furious with Sohel and others because they also took out his coins during this process. After all these atrocities, Big Boss had called back all the housemates and announced them to declare how much coins and literally how much points are there in those coins in total for each contestant. Now there was a second round of the task, and the contestant had to run behind and stick on the other person, and the person who has been hit by the card for the last time when the buzzer has been rung will be out. And in the first instance itself, Monal was out. She was seen totally furious and was seen complaining after she was out and sitting inside the room. So things are not going to be any better from now on. Till it's going to be more physically challenging and almost everyone is in a mode to attack each other. Let us see what will happen in the coming episodes. And maybe the performance will decide who will get better votes so that they will be safe for the week. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned with us for the latest updates and news about Big Boss.